What's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day my friends. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the Hedera Hashgraph. What's going on in the Hedera Hashgraph token? What's the current price? What's the price changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph? In this video I will share the latest update of the Hedera Hashgraph. My friends, keep watching this video complete for more and better understanding. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos my friends. I hope you all subscribe my channel, so thank you so much my friend. First of all, let's do a technical analysis of the price chart. You can see here my friends, let's suppose that is a sorry, the line is going wrong, but let's draw a straight line. Yeah, now that is a resistance and that is a support line. So you can see my friends, from the morning till now, you can see the falls down, jump, falls down, jump, falls down, and now they are again about to make a move. So my friends, that's clear that the continue has traveled between the support and resistance line. And remember my friends, when they break the resistance line, they take a huge jump, and when they they take a huge jump when they break the resistance line, and when they break this support line, so they take a very big jumps. But now it is time 70% chances to they break the resistance line and take a jump. My personal prediction, my technical analysis tells that they take a jump, but we can't say about the future. Maybe the price falls down more in the future, we can't say about the future. Anyways, now the more update about Hedera Hashgraph, you can see here that negative 0.89% the price falls down. You can see here that is last 24 hours, and 0.1713 USD dollar is the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.